Platelet-rich plasma therapy. It's a natural, minimally invasive treatment where your blood is used to promote healing. A small blood sample is drawn, spun in a centrifuge to separate platelets, power-packed cells rich in growth factors, and then re-injected into areas like skin, scalp, or joints. PRP is versatile, used in cosmetic facial treatments, vampire facials, hair regrowth, and musculoskeletal healing. Because it's your plasma, PRP carries minimal risk, just temporary redness or bruising, and downtime is short. Keep in mind, results may vary, several sessions are usually needed, and insurance often won't cover it. Typical timeline? Mild side effects early on, with visible improvements in 1 to 3 months, and results lasting 6 to 18 months. PRP harnesses your body's healing power, from glowing skin to stronger joints. It's safe, versatile, and for many, well worth it. With specialized care providers like Viezec, PRP therapy in India is now an affordable, world-class option for patients around the globe. Safe, natural, and regenerative, PRP is more than a trend. It's a new path to wellness, beauty, and better living.